Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see what to do when you forgot Instagram password. There are two methods of knowing Instagram password or accessing your account once again. For the first method, you have to go to Instagram, click on Get Help Login In, enter your username here. Click on Next. If you have linked your Instagram account to your phone number, then you will get the SMS on phone. Or if you have linked your Instagram account to your email, then you will get an email. So click on Send an Email. You have to go to email section and get the information code from there. So let's head to the Gmail section. You have to enter the code here. If you want to log in into Instagram without password, then click on the first option. But if you want to reset your password, then click on Reset Your Password. Now enter your new password 2 times here and click on Reset Password. In this way, you can access your account once again. The second method for you, if you are Android user, go to your Google account. From there you can get the password as Google saves password for every website or app you log in. So for that you have to go to your Google account. Go to Security and scroll down to Password Manager. From here you have to search Instagram, and under that you can get your password. In this way you can know Instagram password, or if you want to reset your password, we have also given the method. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.